does he अभी तक तो वैसे नहीं इतना थोड़ा बहुत है अभी
Like
now
उसको
that he's coming into his own
yeah
perhaps you're seeing that side of him
yeah
but होना चाहिए
so I was saying that with Bilal's character I've also felt like how even as friends like somebody like an audience somebody messaged that Bilal should be there for Faria as a friend like Kamyar should be there for Faria as a friend and because she has been there for him but when you see like he's emotionally also very unavailable for her like she keeps reaching out to him like the scene where she's like oh mujhe mama ne call ki thi tumhe pata hai na and all you see him is doing acha to achhi baat hai again because then this made me feel like when people talk about like oh you can't force a relationship and that's exactly what's happening with these two characters also that she's trying to really like obviously unke wo cute sweet moments bhi hain wo kehta hai yaar main sorry or ye wo whatever but if you flip the sides and you put let's say Ira who he's completely in love with or वो उसकी छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी होगी ना कि अगर उसकी चाय में चीनी कम है तो वो चाय में चीनी कम क्यों है like I'm just like saying whatever like he will want to like kind of be there
so it's not that he can't pick up on these things he can
so I feel like वो एक ये वाली चीज भी I don't know maybe something that Bilal worked on like in the back of his head or whatever but I only and I'm seeing it now on screen when I see the episodes like it's actually very like it's evident if you see it जब उसके पास वैसे दुनिया का सारा टाइम था वो आयरा के पास सो भी रहा है उसकी गली में and जा भी रहा है and उसको कॉल भी कर रहा है like everything the minute she says अच्छा चाहिए कॉफी पीछे तो कॉफी भी ले जाता है and when I ask he's like मेरे पास सिर्फ 10 मिनट है
10 मिनट है
सिर्फ 10 मिनट
and I'm asking him like can you not delay it and he's like I'm sorry so it's it kind of shows that you can't force relationships.
Ironically, though, he's also kind
of... But he's backed off now.
Subliminally kind of forcing that
He did that.
And he's backed off now.
Yeah. Because in the last episode, it was a very nice line where he says, कि हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं, उन पे conditions नहीं लगा सकते.
हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं ना, उनके आगे conditions नहीं लगाते हैं.
And he says that to me. It's this conversation that he has with me. तो वो basically तो अपने उसमें भी वो कह रहा है. But वो मुझे भी ये चीज़ कह रहा है because he understands and he knows. Like, it's very evident because my dad tells him कि भाई फारिया को तुमसे इतनी शिकायतें होती हैं. तुम, उसको ये वो हर वक्त upset रहती है तुम्हारी वजह से. First scene जब मैं जाती हूँ तो मेरे बाप मुझसे पूछता है कि कामयार से लड़ाई हुई है. तुम sad हो New Year night पे, So, that he knows and stuff but then he's backed out तो वो अपने उसमें भी लाइंस कह रहा है कि हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं उन पे कंडीशन नहीं लगाते and if it's meant to be it's meant to be if it's not then फिर मतलब हमारी जगह है ही नहीं उनकी लाइफ में and it's so it's very subliminally it's also for me but also for him and his him and Ira's relationship together where he's
now of course you're nothing like Faria.
I'm not. I'm actually not. I'm literally quite the opposite.
Of course, she's nothing like Faria.
Please, guys.
Yeah, except for the fact that, of course, that dress sense comes from your aesthetic and your ethos, and that flair and that kind of that comes from you.
Yeah.
Is there anything else? Because you've mentioned the broken home, and the abandonment or the separation anxiety or the issues. Is there anything else as an actor that you kind of borrowed from your own experience, your own life, or kind of adapted? Because a lot of people do this kind of method acting,
I would just say this because I think that's the more like the fundamental core of her, Faria's personality also. So this thing, everything else is quite the opposite. The partying, this. I'm a very homebody. I want to be at home and just if I'm working, I'm working. If I'm home, I'm at home. I don't go anywhere. So that, but I think the confidence, like when you say that, it kind of shows also because I've been independent, not independent, like in that, because I always wanted to be independent because, I live with, like I grew up with a single mother and I always saw her doing everything herself. So watching her, I realized that I don't ever want to rely on any man. When you see that in Faria also some places, वो खुद गाड़ी चला के जाती है या वो खुद कहीं पे पहुंच जाती है, like उसको ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी की कि कोई उसको पिक करे या उसको कोई ड्रॉप करे.
लेकिन चाहिए उसको है फिर भी कम यार. हाँ,
वो तो शादी करना चाहती है. वो तो शादी करना चाहती है. But I'm just saying वैसे like to do anything else, then that's who I am in my personal life as well. Like अगर mechanic से जाके काम कराना है, I will go to the mechanic and get it done. Like you know, like I have
hands on. Yeah.
I'm like hands-on like that. Once my tire got punctured, and that was the first time it happened, and I didn't know, so I Googled and I YouTubed. I didn't know where to put a jack, and I said where to put a jack in this car, and it was because like I tried doing it, but it's a job because it's very tight and it's heavy. Like you can't just lift up a car. Like that's not like a thing. And I did that, and I remember like मैं उस पे खड़ी होती थी फिर उसको नीचे करती like and I did it like you know some help, but and I was telling my friends and they were like, what do you mean? And I was just like, yeah, I did that. I just Googled and I did it. I didn't feel the need to call anybody कि oh my god I'm stuck. Once somebody said oh अगर गाड़ी heat up हो जाए, I was like क्या होगा, थोड़ा वेट करूँगी, रेडिएटर खोलूँगी, पानी चेक करूँगी. And they're like, what, really? Like, I said, yeah, like, you know, I mean, I have my days, like, I'm very, like, hands-on like that, and I think...
Well done.
And if I'm a la-di-da, then I'm a la-di-da, like, I can be, like, both. It's balanced, I feel like, and that's how it should be.
Yeah.
Because I have, and maybe it's something that it came to me in my upbringing also, and just seeing and learning. But otherwise, if you're sheltered a lot, like too much, then you don't have that street smartness in
need
you.
or urge to know.
आप नहीं कर सकते. Especially like just imagine, like I'm sure you would know, like surviving in a city like Karachi.
Absolutely.
You can't.
You can't be a la-di-da.
Yeah. I've dodged like mobile snatchers and like whatever.
Dodge them.
I'm very attentive. I know somebody's following me, I will change my route last minute.
Well done.
I will like, you know, go whatever, like go to the nearest petrol station, call somebody, stand where the security guard, like, you know, a lot of people, and give the wrong indicator, go somewhere else the minute they turn.
Okay,
so
alert, high alert.
Yeah.
You're a girl on high alert.
I do all of those things. Even if like generally like I'm like alone and like I've got music on and I'll be like, you know, enjoying and doing whatever, like actually like I call this a karaoke. I do everything in my car, but I'm also very attentive that I know that if the car or somebody, you know, following me, मैं हमेशा उन स्लो करके उनके पीछे लगा देती हूँ कि पहले आप जाएंगे और फिर मैं जाऊँगी. Again, it's something that I've learned from my mom.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, so this is, I think Faria has that thing in her also.
She does. She has that vibe. She has that independent vibe.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Now, what now? अभी तो ये shoot चल रहा है.
Yes.
ये shoot चल रहा है, and now you have stepped into television and acting full-fledged, and you see this as a career line for you?
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Do you feel that you fear that you will be stereotyped?
I hope not.
Yeah.
I know it's something because I have gotten offers for dramas before this, of course, and they've all been about this modern girl.
Modern घर तोड़ने वाली लड़की.
घर तोड़ने वाली लड़की, ex-girlfriend types, ये वो whatever. This when I went for a meeting with Nadeem Beg for this character, he said one thing to me which, you know, it's not about being a negative character or a villain or anything. I feel like negative characters or villains, they have more room to play around.
Right.
Like, you know, they're in the gray areas and stuff. He said, you know, I still have to watch मैं मंटो नहीं हूँ and haven't watched it. But Azan's character in that, and it's a negative character, but everything he does is out of love.
Yeah.
And you know how they say everything is fair in love and war?